Hello and welcome. You are welcome to the channel. This is cryptocurrency Mrs. Iradia, and today update I'm going to be showing you how to buy Memecoins in Binance Wallet. Yes, here are examples of some Memecoins right on my screen. According to Google, we have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pep, and there are so many. The list is endless. The meme coins are coins in cryptocurrency that are influenced by cultures, they are influenced by community, they are influenced by arts. They are not really like the traditional cryptocurrency like Ethereum, BTC, and all. It's just for fun, it's just for excitement, it's just just to promote one cause or the other. We're going to go more on that where we go into our classroom in our WhatsApp group. But right now, I just want you to have a general idea of a meme coin. So I'm going to show you how you're going to buy this and make profit with it. We're going to be needing, apart from the Binance Wallet, we're going to be needing extra other apps that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be showing you the other one that we're going to be using right now. So we're going to be using app like CongaCo, which is app that contains is a crypto tracking app. It's going to show you the prices, going to show you, give you the contract address, going to give you history about the particular coin. Like you can see here on Google, it's a CongaCo crypto tracker app. It lets you easily track crypto prices, the NFT floor prices, the history about the coin and all that. I've given you details on how to use crypto tracker apps like CongaCo. I'm going to show you the other one right now. Coin market cap. Coin market cap is also a crypto tracker on top currency prices and their charts listed in markets. Capitalization just shows you the issue. I'm going to open one for you, then we're going to look at the other one I showed. We're going to be looking at the DEX screener. It's also on coins, okay? Coin trackers giving you the names, when it was who is influenced by, and everything and all that. So I'm just going to go through it. We have gone through them before we go to our main classes, because I want you to be master of these things. I want you to know how to find them yourself, because you can be given a coin and you get to CongaCo or you get to coin market cap and you couldn't find them. You can always use this screener. So these three apps are very, very good for you to get your coins. And before we go into showing you the any of the tracker apps, the crypto tracker apps, I'm going to show you the last app you're going to be needing, the update you're going to be needing to buy your coin. Okay, we are going to be needing a signal group, and that is where our VIP group comes in, where we share updates, daily updates on coins to buy, on updates on binary trading, updates on any of features trading, and also on sports. So we are concentrating now on coin to buy, a meme coin to buy, and we have this particular update in our group right now. So I'm going to be showing you this particular one, and we are going, you can see as it's being posted on the group, the name is given and also the contract address. So if you are giving only the name, you can always go to the crypto tracker apps that I showed you, not quite long. Then also you can be given the contract address. With it, you can also use to get your coin from there, so you can have the history and details, do your own research before you now finally make an investment on it. So I'm just going to copy this particular address right now. I'm going to copy it so that I can go to the tracker app. Then you can see the name is Elzonos. So I'm going to go there right now. Okay, I'm going to be using CongaCo. So let's just allow it to come up. Now this is the home page of CongaCo. Now you can see the market is displayed in front of here. We can see both every all coins put together, both the traditional, all the meme coins are all here. So we want to be specific, so what we need to do is just to go to the search bar. Search bar is up there and also below here. So I'm going to go to the search bar and click on it and paste the contract address that we picked from the VIP group, and make a search for it. Okay, as you can see, it has displayed the coin exactly as shown on the group. So I'm just going to click on that, and so I can have full details about it. So with this chart that's been displayed, you'll be able to see the market, analyze it, know where it has been coming from, or it has been true for the past an hour or days back. Its total market cap and the contract addresses. You can find it on Solana, Ethereum Base, and Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so remember, through the info on top of it here, you'll be able to get more details about it. Its all-time low, which was on November 17th, and its all-time high was on November 07, and what's all-time low and high in 24 hours. So you're able to know the strength of the coin, how it has been. So these are all what the crypto tracker does. So you're able to do your own research and say, okay, I will giving this update on the VIP group, Signal group. I would love to invest in this coin, and there is room for what we call profit. Okay, because now it's on 0.0069. Let's say it goes back to the all-time high of 0.0789 or 0.01 or 0.1. That is going to be a very good profit for you. Now that we have the contract address, so I'm just going to scroll down. You can see other contract address are here in case you want to use a different network to conduct this trade. We have on Solana, we have on Ethereum, we have on Base, we have on Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to be using Binance Smart Chain. I love to use Binance Smart Chain, but there are some coins that are solely on a particular network. You cannot make choices, but let's just use Binance Smart Chain since we are going to be using Binance. That doesn't mean Binance doesn't accept other network. It does, but Binance Smart Chain within Binance is the gas fee is cheaper. The trade is quite easy. So let's just do this for today for this particular class. We can always do others again. So now that we have our contract address, we have the information that we need to get us interested in investing in this particular coin. So we're going to head on to Binance right now. Okay, I'm turning on my Binance wallet now, so let's wait for it to load up. Okay, now that we are here on Venus, so I'm going to show you where we're going to be using. We've been using the exchange. We've talked about the exchange, how you're going to use your P2P, buy your very first coin using USDT, and you can withdraw to your local bank account, all in our previous video. So right now we're going to be using where we call the wallet. It's top there, yes. So we're going to be using the wallet. So that means you are going to click on that wallet. So you're going to be leaving the whole of the exchange family all together. Yeah, so that's it. So mine is opening directly because I have done my registration. So when you are clicking on yours, you are going to be required to make a little registration, like creating a password. Please and please do not forget your password. Keep it safe. I think your password is even more important than your funds in this wallet, because you lose it, you lose everything. Keep it safe. Whatever information that you use in registering your wallet section, because it's going to ask you for a registration, ask you for emails, going to ask you to create a password, going to ask you for certain things for you to do them, and keep them safe, and make sure you use codes that you will not forget, email that is active, that you will not lose. Okay, so now that we are on the home page, having said that, let's go to the features. We have the home, we have the market, we have the trade, we have discovery, and we have asset. Okay, you have the three dotted center. You can check on other private information, and remember that we are on wallet, no longer at the exchange. So this is the wallet section that we're going to be using for buying our Meme coins. Okay, so now that we are here, the next place for we to be heading to is the asset. I just show you that's down here below. So we're going to click on asset and go into the asset section. On this particular section, you are going to be funding your BNB. As you can see that up there, you're going to be funding your BNB. Now you can see I have some funds in my BNB wallet. I have about 2 cents. All right, so you're going to be funding your BNB. Remember, we've already talked about how you're going to be able to buy with the P2P on the wallet exchange, and you can get USDT. Your USDT, you can now go ahead to trade it. I taught you how to trade it, for another coin. So you're going to be trading it for BNB, and once you have your BNB ready, then you can send it here by clicking on the receive address. So I'm just going to quickly click on my receive address to see if to show you how it looks like. So we're going to click on receive. Okay, now you can see this is the receive address. You're just going to copy this. You're just going to copy this with that. Just use that logo to copy this particular address. You copy it and take it to the exchange that you've already made you've already bought BNB with your USDT. You already have it there, and you take it this day and send it. Okay, there's going to be a space for you to paste it in and send the necessary BNB right here, so you can use it to buy your Memecoin. All right, now let's go back. Okay, now that we're back on this particular page, now you want to buy your coin, and your BNB is funded. All you need to do is just to do what? Click on here on swap. So it's one of the easiest way to buy your coin. We're going to click on swap, and then we take it from there. I like to boot up. Okay, now that is here, BNB, now it's saying USDT. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on here. I'm going to click on here so that I'll be able to fix that contract address and pick the coin that I want to swap into, the one we've already copied before. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so we are going to be fixing it here on this page. Okay, so I'm going to fix the contract address. It says search for token symbol contract address. That means you can write the name, you can fix the contract address. So remember, we have copied it before, so I'm just going to click on paste here. Now you see it's in, so it's going to go ahead to search it out. Now you can see it has searched it out for us, right? So you're going to click on that. You click on it, and you can see that your BNB is ready, and the particular coin is also ready to receive. So what you're going to do next, you're going to go where you can see the zeros by the side of the BNB. I'm just going to click on that so that I can put in the amount of BNB that I want to put. So you can make selections from here. You can make selections from here. Just click on 25%, so it takes 25% total volume of your BNB that you have in your account, 50, 75, or the whole 100. Or you go ahead and just type what you want here. For instance, I say, okay, I want to just use 50% of what I have. Okay, because you need to have leftover BNB, because your transaction will be required a gas fee, just the way you have your bank charges. As is going to be doing this exchange for you, he's going to collect some amount of your BNB. This wallet is going to collect some amount of BNB from your total balance, charging you for this transaction. Okay, now this is showing me that the number of BNB that I'm about to give out, I'm going to be having 19 of this coin and some cents. 19 of these coins and some cents. So as soon as I'm okay with this, I don't want to activate, I don't want to reduce from it. All I need to do is to click on what? Swap. All right, so before I make, so I'm just going to click on swap. Okay, so just hold on. So it comes here and gives you the final description that, okay, this is your BNB, this is what you're taking now, this is what you're going to be receiving, and the gas fee that is taking is just just analyzing them for you. And mind you, the more time you are wasting here, there's changes in the market. It's going up, it's going down, so don't be surprised what's going to hit your account finally might be different. but still it's going to be showing you what you're going to be receiving after removing all the charges. You can see it right here. It's a minimum received. It's going to be giving you 19.5. So you don't be surprised that you're not seeing 19.7. So I haven't taken all the charges and all that. This is what you're going to be receiving. So you're okay with it to continue, or you go add to it. And once you are done from that, you click on confirm. All right, you click on confirm. So what you're going to do is just to click on confirm, and you allow it to go ahead to do the rest. So that is it. So once that is confirmed, it's going to ask you for the code. I told you it's going to ask you to make a registration code to do this transaction, because it's a way to keep your account safe, that nobody just come in and get coins out without your approval. So that particular passcode is for you. So you fix it in, and once you fix it in, the transaction becomes successful. And once it is successful, it goes to your assets. All right, remember our asset is down here. It goes to your assets, and here and there you're going to be able to see your coin right there. Immediately it starts going into profits and everything is going on well. Just come back here and click on swap like we did before, and you click on this particular middle. Yes, so I'm just going to click on it, and you see it's going to take it up and bring the BNB down. All right, fixing what you want, is it everything, part of it, whatever it is, and get it done and swap back to BNB. Once it's back to BNB, it's easy for you to send it back to the exchange and sell for USDT, and from USDT straight to your local account. Yes. So I know some of us in I know my subscribers in Nigeria and some other countries that do not accept P2P of BNB or Binance. Don't worry, the next video that's going to be coming up this week is on another exchange that you can comfortably use it in your country. So do to subscribe and like, and also share with a friend. See you soonest, and ciao. Remember our WhatsApp group at the description of the video for more details, and also to register in our Signal group. Ciao for now.